In this video, I will show you how to install better Discord. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser, and you can do this on any browser. And what you want to do first is actually come to the official website. So what you want to do is come to betterdiscord.app. And this is going to look like this. So what you're going to do is basically click the download button. That should be on the home screen here, and you just want to click that to start downloading the latest version of Better Discord, and you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to start downloading in the bottom left hand corner. So depending on your internet connection, it shouldn't take too long. It's relatively small, about 60 megabytes, and you can see in less than a minute it's downloaded the installer. So of course the next step is to run the setup wizard. So we're just going to click that to start the wizard, and then we're going to click run. And what's going to happen, first of all, it's going to come up with a license agreement. So what we want to do is tick the box to accept the license agreement, and then click next down here. Then of course the next thing we want to do is make sure install Better Discord is selected, and again click the next button. So you can see there's a couple of versions of Discord, so depending on what version you're using, you want to select that. I'll be using the default version of Discord, but of course you've got the public test beta version, and you've also got Discord Canary. So dependent on the version, you want to select that from this list and then click on to install. So again, the installation, it doesn't take long at all. It should take less than a minute to go through. And as soon as that's finished installing, it's actually going to load up Discord straight away. So you see what's going to happen first is you're going to get a window which is going to basically give any updates or fixes, and what you can do is just cross this off. So you'll see that it actually looks pretty much the same as the normal Discord, but if I actually come into the settings down here in the bottom left hand corner, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down the menu on the left hand side, and you'll see we've actually got a section called Better Discord. So what you can do once you've got this installed, you can add like different themes and colors and things like this. And there's a lot of other things you can do with Better Discord. But of course you can go onto Google and see all the things that are possible to do. So that's how to get hold of Better Discord. I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then please leave a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And also, if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt. And that's going to take you across to my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.